Welcome, Tech Follow.
Hey guys. You will be glad to know that we want to show the best product in this video for maximum advantages. You will definitely be interested in buying this product. We have make this video by spending our overall feedback and time. We have show in here product quality and the right price. So whether you want more different your best budget. Hope you check out the link in the description below. So let's choose the right product through video analysis.
Product name dji Mavic Mini Combo, Drone Flycam Quadcopter UAV with 2.7k camera 3-axis gimbal GPS 30 minutes flight time, less than 0.55 pounds, gray. Best quality guaranteed. Weighing less than 0.55 pounds / 250 grams. Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone in the United States and Canada. You can fly this camera drone without the need to register your drone with the government. The compact yet powerful Mavic Mini camera drone is the perfect creative companion, capturing your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Mavic Mini's weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consomme. Effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Mavic Mini's weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer flycams on the market. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. Mavic Mini supports 12MP aerial photos and 2.7k HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear, ultra-smooth footage. What you get: Mavic Mini remote controller, 3x intelligent flight battery, 3x pairs of spare propellers, 2x micro USB cable, gimbal protector, RC cable, micro USB connector, RC cable, USB-C connector, RC cable, lightning connector, pair of spare C. Get good fast. The new dji Fly app offers a simple and intuitive user experience, enabling you to create cinematic shots with just a few taps. It even has flight tutorial, a feature to help you get started with Mavic Mini quickly and safely. Pros: the best drones offer a unique, fun experience. If you like remote control flying or photography, there's nothing similar to the experience offered by a drone. You can get unique shots without a flight or a helicopter ride, and even teach your kids programming skills. Cons: high-quality camera drones can be a bit costly if you're just entering the market, while affordable beginner aircraft may not offer the imaging clarity you desire. You'll often need to carry extra batteries with you to enjoy substantial time in the air.
Make a choice in the video. If you have seen our video for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates of our channel. Make sure you check out the description for the links to find the latest price for this products in this video. Thanks for watching.